shooting में वही हो रहा था. Gopu comes here and Gopu does this and Gopu does that.
Yeah,
अब
so we
लगता
were
तो नहीं
taking
है
very
Gopu.
serious.
There is someone here who is not only one of my oldest friends in the fraternity, but someone who is more scared of shooting with the creature, even though the creature was not there. And that's Vipasha. Please come and talk to us.
Good evening, everyone. Talking about Creature today, excited. Finally, the moment has come that finally I'm getting introduced to my co-star because this is one of those rarest films जहाँ पे मैंने एक दिन भी अपने co-star के साथ काम नहीं किया. रोज उससे उसके साथ काम करना पड़ा. I have yet to imagine him, and today with all of you, I'm going to finally get to see him too. Definitely, Creature की झलक मुझे तो मिली है पहले. एंड मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम जब रफ मुझे आइडिया बताया गया था तब मैंने विक्रम को कहा था वाओ यू नो आवर क्रीचर इज वेरी एथलेटिक सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट हिम ही इज वेरी फिट so besides that I have to say like the funny part of making Creature was that I though you know he's driving the film but we had a set name for him. We used to call him actually can you please tell them the story of Gopal?
Actually, hello. Actually, क्या हुआ कि the creature does this, the creature does that. बहुत लंबा लंबा पड़ रहा था. तो किसी ने बोला यार इसका एक नाम रख दो. तो ऐसे ही ऑफिस में बैठे थे तो स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स वाले ने कहा गोपाल है उसका नाम क्रीचर का. और फिर धीरे धीरे वो पता नहीं वो ईमेल लिखने वाले को कोई जल्दी थी तो उसने गोपू लिख दिया. तो तब से नाम हो गया बेचारे का गोपू. और फिर शूटिंग में वही हो रहा था. गोपू कम्स हियर एंड गोपू डज दिस एंड गोपू डज दैट.
Yeah, so we were taking very serious shots, but we had, we gave him a very adorable name called Gopu. So yeah, I just want to say one more thing that Vikram has been my dear friend. आज मैं यहाँ हूँ as an actor after so many years also because of him. Because right from Raz to now, our journey has been quite interesting and both of us have gone through ups and downs. But there's a kind of belief that I have in him. Because जब उन्होंने मुझे ये फिल्म ऑफर की थी उन्होंने कहा था बिप्स आई वांट टू मेक दिस फिल्म एंड आई रियली कांट टेल यू मच अबाउट इट बट द फैक्ट दैट इट्स अ क्रीचर फिल्म सो आई सेड ओके Vikram, it sounds interesting, and I guess I'm going to just trust you. So, yeah, I think belief and trust pays off, and definitely it's, Vikram is truly, he's a forward thinker, and he tries his best, and I think we have something interesting. I think something that's going to be adventurous and entertaining for all kinds of people. So, yeah, so come watch Creature on 12th September. Right now, you guys get a glimpse of it.
And to unveil the promo, I'd like to call the person who holds my hand, who actually I make sure holds my hand because he tries very hard that I leave it and go, but I keep on holding it because he is everything to me. He's my mentor, my guru, and someone from whom I take so much inspiration and courage. And today that I'm starting something new, I can't do it without his presence and his courage. So I'd like to welcome Bhatt Saab on stage, please.
Vikram Bhatt is the 21st century filmmaker. I say that here is a filmmaker, the only unique filmmaker in the South Asian space who can understand the technology like the big boys in LA do. He demonstrated this to us in Raz, and he achieves this like most of our wizards do in India at the kind of a price which the Western boys get bewildered with. When I stand here today at this proud moment to release the trailer of Creature, which has the state-of-the-art technology, VFX, I'm reminded from where the journey of the Indian cinema began. I'm reminded of my days of infancy when I used to go on the sets of my father, who used to make these stunt films where they used to do these Arabian Nights fantasies where special effects were done like children at school. The great Babu Bhai Mistry.